I'm showing you how to make a naturally pink beetroot pasta dough. To start, you'll need 250 grams of cooked beetroot, get that into a blender or a RoboCoupe and blitz it up until smooth. Then you'll need 2 cups of flour. Dump it out onto a clean work surface and form a well in the center. Add a pinch of salt and then crack in 2 eggs. Then you're going to pour in your beetroot puree and use a fork to gradually incorporate the flour from the sides into the center. Once the dough becomes thick enough, begin to work by hand. Then, knead for about 10 minutes. You'll know that the dough is done when it rebounds back after you press a finger into the surface. Tightly cling film the dough and set it aside for a minimum of 30 minutes to rest. Once the dough has rested, cut it into smaller, more manageable portions. And then, just like we've done in any of the other pasta videos if you've been watching, we're gonna laminate the dough. So all you have to do here is roll each piece into a small rectangle, then fold it into thirds and roll it out again. Then you're gonna fold it into thirds again and roll it out. And then you're gonna repeat this process one more time. After this, roll your pasta dough out into nice thin rectangular pieces. I decided to turn mine into tortellini, so for the filling, all I did was use a little bit of leftover ricotta, about 250 grams of goat's cheese, then I added in the zest from 1 fresh orange and 1 lemon. And of course, a little bit of salt and pepper. To make tortellini, cut your pasta dough out into circles and pipe the filling into the center. Then to shape them, use a little bit of water as glue around the edges, fold it over, and then kind of wrap it around itself like I'm doing here, and then give both ends a pinch. I'll show you again here. I'll be honest with you, I didn't really think this through beforehand, and it probably would have been better to not do tortellini with the pink pasta dough because they ended up looking like weird, like belly buttons or something like that, but hindsight is 20/20. To cook, boil them until they float to the surface, and then they're done. For the sauce, I just made a brown butter sauce with a little bit of orange juice and lemon juice. And then I topped everything off with a little bit of orange zest and Parmesan cheese. If you like this video and want to see more content like this, consider subscribing and feel free to connect with me elsewhere at chef.studio_.